What's up, you guys? I'm the Central Healer. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, amen. Always remember some things may or may not resonate, so take what resonates and leave the rest here. Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day, amen, okay? Okay, so we got a lover situation or a Gemini that's flipped in reverse here, okay? Okay, so yeah, there's either a Gemini or a lover situation. Like I said, the wheel is not going in their favor. They got some bad luck right now. Their wish is not getting granted. Okay, so, amen. Okay, yeah, so like I said, it's either a lover situation or a Gemini. Their wish is not getting granted. They got bad luck, and they are not balanced right now, okay? So whatever this is, whatever happened, they are not balanced, and their wish is not getting granted. The wheel is not going in their favor, okay? Amen. Let me turn that meditation music down a little bit because I don't know if it's too loud for YouTube, so hold on. All right, so let's get into this. All right, so the first card's got to come out. It's police involved in setting you up. So the first card out is the police are definitely involved in setting somebody up here. We have an Aries. Let me see if the police are involved in setting up this Aries, or it's the police. Is the police involved in setting up an Aries? Is this Aries male, a female? Is this Aries female connected to the police officer? Okay, so it's an Aries female and some police officers that are involved. Okay, so it's an Aries female and some police officers. But they're connected to those officers, okay. Excuse me, amen. But but you guys are like protected by the light and the dark. So whatever they're doing, like I said, you guys are protected by the light and the dark. So whatever they're trying to do, it's not going to work, okay. Yeah, you see all these people's true colors. You see all of their colors. I see your true colors. What? Amen. Let's roll. What? Oh, here we go. Yeah, we got the Church of Scientology out here. Okay. So we got the Church of Scientology that's involved. An Aries female, some dirty cops. But again, you're protected by the light and the dark. Look what, amen, you are powerful. These people know this. The Church of Scientology is powerful, but they're not as powerful as you. And these people know this, and they're flipping out. Okay, they're flipping out. Ooh, and then there was light. Amen. Flip. Yeah, the police are watching. Are these good police officers? Are these good police officers? Okay, so there's good police officers and bad police officers. Are there good police officers watching these bad police officers? Okay, so there's good and bad police officers. And the good ones are watching all of them, okay? When the light came out, this turned a little different color. It turned like the yellow color again. So I guess I'm going to be yellow-green for y'all. Okay, oh, shit. Yeah, because they know somebody's involved with this organ trafficking. It's been coming out so much in the past year about the Church of Scientology definitely being involved with this organ trafficking, okay? It's mind-blowing how many people, look, truth. It's mind-blowing how many people are involved with this organ trafficking. There's even police officers, there's people at the courthouse, there's people in the school system that are involved with this organ trafficking and the sex trafficking as well. And these are the same people that you trust your children to go to school when they told your children to go to school. Yeah, these people are also involved in this shit, isn't it? Okay, and that's the truth here. Amen. All these cards fell, but the one that's sticking out and fell on top of my hand is Judgment Day. Wow. Okay, yeah, Judgment Day. Okay, we have a Capricorn. Let me see if this is a good Capricorn better. Is this a good Capricorn? Okay. Male? Female? Okay. Okay, so is this the person that sees everybody's true colors? Is this the person that's powerful? Okay. Tell us about these people's lights are on, but nobody's home. Somebody's power could actually be out, okay? Okay. Dark tarot readers involved with child sex trafficking ring. These people literally sold their soul. Somebody has a court case coming soon. These people are not giving up, okay? Neither are the dark tarot readers, okay? But still, some people got court case coming soon, and they're still not giving up on what they're doing. Amen. So, for those of you that watch me, okay, I know even though some of the other tarot readers watch me, but be mindful who you do watch, okay? If you see the names come out on my channel, I'm not telling you who to watch and not to watch, okay? But these readers are into some dark shit, okay? They are part of these cults, these covens, these organizations, and they are involved with doing spell work on people, on innocent people, okay? Some of them are involved with the organ trafficking and the child sex trafficking as well. So that's all I'm going to say. You guys are grown adults, and you have the ability to watch whoever you want to watch, okay? Amen? Amen. We have an insurance. We have an insurance agent involved here. It's just, when it comes out on my channel, you know what I mean? The divine has given me the opportunity to give this information out to you guys, so it's always your choice, you know, what you guys just decide to do, okay? Okay, so somebody's going to have to sacrifice one of their own people because they're not able to sacrifice you here, okay? They shouldn't really be sacrificing anybody. They should stop doing this shit, period. It's what they need to do. It's what they need to do. There's a man that is a woman here. So this could be the person that's picked to be sacrificed, or they got to sacrifice this person or something like this, maybe. Okay. Yeah, see, now somebody's crying out for help. Somebody's not crying out for help. Because like I said, these people can't sacrifice divine beings. Now they got to sacrifice one of their own. Yeah, these are the same people that wish death over your life, amen. Same people that wish death over your life. Yeah, these people know that they messed that bad. They know that they messed up bad here. They know this. That's what I be telling people. You can't, like, get this out enough. Like, there's nothing in the world that is better than the divine. There's nothing better than the God. You know what I mean? No demon, no devil is more powerful than the divine. None of these cults, these covens, will ever amount up to God or the divine, period, okay? These people they have to sacrifice their own when they can't sacrifice somebody else. These people are sacrificing children and everybody. They don't care as long as they get $1 in their pocket or higher up on the next level, amen? And when they can't take out a divine being or an innocent, they take out one of their own. They have to, there's no winning in the dark side. Like, ew. When you work with the devil, Somebody wants to come in and communicate with you here. When you work for God, like, you can't be sacrificed. Everybody in the divine will work for you. Even the people, these same people that these people will be conjuring up, works on our side. Like, I mean, it's, you know what I mean? It's not. There's nothing better than divine. It's just what it is. We have a female. There's maybe a female that wants to come in and communicate with somebody. Is it a female that wants to come in and communicate? Okay, so no, somebody wants to come in and communicate with the female here, okay? But this person's on a lot of drugs and alcohol. Whoever wants to come in and communicate with the female, this person's on a lot of drugs and alcohol, you guys, okay? How in the... There could be a Cancer involved. There was a Cancer turned upside down here. The only card turned upside down, but... Yeah, when the sun comes out, the thing gets, like, greener or yellower. There's a doctor involved. I'll be changing colors for y'all today. We have a mother or grandmother figure here. We got a female judge. Is this mother or grandmother figure any good? Is this female judge any good? Is this doctor any good? So none of them are no good. None of them are no good, y'all. Okay. So, and these people's phones are tapped. Period. A Leo. Who's that creeping in my window? Okay. Yeah, somebody's definitely ancient, okay? They have ancient DNA, ancient blood. Somebody's like a reincarnated ancient alien here, okay? Is it this Leo that's an ancient alien? Is this Leo's phone tapped? Okay. So these people are coming after somebody that's an ancient being or reincarnated ancient being, okay? The star seed, a reincarnated god or goddess. And this baby witch shit does not work on you. Amen, amen, okay? Woo, child, it's hot, amen. Who's that creeping in the windows? Somebody's peeping, looking in your windows from afar or up close, okay? Somebody needs to take a bath, amen. Across the church, somebody needs to take a bath. Okay. Amen. Somebody's occupation, somebody does not like what somebody does for work here. What's his occupation? Okay, with occupation and intuitive, somebody knows that somebody is very intuitive here and what they do for work, okay? Somebody's on point whatever they do for work here, okay? Somebody can't bind somebody here. So somebody is very intuitive in what they do for work here. Somebody does not like what somebody does here, but they're trying to bind somebody, whether it's their whole occupation, their gifts, or something like this, and they can't bind somebody. They're trying to, though. They want somebody to shut up, okay? We have a divine masculine here. Is he in the upright? Okay, so this is a not-so-divine masculine. Okay, so we have a not-so-divine masculine here, okay? This person could have been divine at one time, but they're not so divine anymore. Tell us about this not-so-DM, okay? Okay, wait. Are they all in reverse? Okay. Hold up. Okay, divine masculine upright. Okay, so somebody could have thought they were going to lose or get somebody to lose their occupation, okay? Or somebody could be losing their job here. Somebody was not using their intuition in the situation, okay? They were definitely trying to bind somebody here, okay? We have a divine masculine that thought they was going to get some money, and they didn't get no money here, okay? Like I said, this person could have thought they were going to make somebody lose their job, or this person is fixing to lose their job here. Somebody was trying to, I think, maybe buy somebody's work, buy somebody's gifts here, and they thought they was going to get some money for this, and no. Nope. Actual money in the reverse. Okay, yeah. Dang, somebody's ancestors even walked away from them. If somebody didn't lose their job, if this divine masculine didn't lose their job, they could have tried to get somebody else to lose their job and their like intuitive gifts. Somebody was not using their intuition, okay? And somebody is not binded. They were trying to bind somebody. They were trying to bind somebody's intuition. They were trying to bind somebody's occupation. And somebody thought they was going to get money for this, okay? They were trying to make somebody lose money. But they lost all of this and their ancestors. So they lost all their gifts and their ancestors. Somebody even could have lost their job. Yeah, somebody's got a whole entity attachment. Were they doing this to this divine masculine? So this masculine was doing this. So he's not really so divine. Okay, so it's somebody that's saying that they are divine masculine, but they're not so divine. Okay, so this person is trying to cloak their energy. That's why they came in upright. Okay, they were going around like they were a trusted individual, and they're not. Okay, this person has definitely got a whole entity attachment and was trying to mess with somebody's work here, but this person can end up losing their job as well as their intuition if they had it, for trying to bind somebody else's intuition and work, because that didn't happen. Okay, they thought they was going to get money from doing this. They're not getting money from doing this. Their ancestors walked away from them. This person's got a whole entity attachment. Okay, and no self-love. So this person has no self-love. So if you don't have love for yourself, you ain't going to be able to have love for nobody else. Amen. They're just flying out like some people's energy is all over the place. Amen. Okay, so they also did not want this person that's single, sexy, and self-sufficient to have self-love, and it's backfiring. It is backfiring. So this is a masculine that's trying to cloak themselves in a divine light, and they're not. Okay, they definitely not. They definitely have an energy attachment. They need to get rid of this energy attachment, okay? What's this abandonment, okay? They could have wanted somebody to abandon this single, sexy, and self-successful person here, okay? Yeah, they didn't want this person to have no kind of achievement. They wanted this person to lose their job, their intuition, their money. They didn't want nobody to see this person and having any kind of achievement. They did not want to see this person happy at all, okay? Damn, they wanted them to not be seen as happy, didn't have any money, to have any intuition, to lose their job, to be binded. And it's all backfiring. This is what's going on with this masculine here, okay? And this person's definitely got an entity attachment. Child, amen. That's what I'm saying. It's not paid to work for the dark side. Like, I don't understand what people are not comprehending, amen, okay? And no comprehend. 1822, if it said that, amen. It's not paid to be on the dark side, even if you have a messed up camera like mine and it's green sometimes. Okay, amen. I love you guys, amen. Okay. We're going to call this look the green screen. We're on the green screen today, okay? Alright, so I did shuffle up all these cards, okay, while we're doing this video on the green screen. You got to laugh right, amen, okay? Dang, he didn't want this anybody to have no work, no occupation, no love. They didn't want this person to seem like they have any achievements, but they're doing stuff in the background and try to manipulate the situation. Like, make it make sense, bro. Make it make sense. And it backfired. Okay, here we go with this. Okay, somebody's involved with stealing Social Security benefits here. Child. No, okay. Is a Gemini involved with stealing Social Security benefits? Is this a male? A female. So there's a Gemini female involved with stealing Social Security benefits. Okay, so there's a Gemini female that's involved with stealing Social Security benefits here. Is it a Gemini female? It's a male. Gemini male? Did they still benefit from this person? This person. So it's a Gemini male. Okay. And the air sign, is this a different one? So it's a Gemini male and an air sign, what, female? Gemini, a Libra, Aquarius female. So a Gemini male and Aquarius female is involved with stealing Social Security benefits. Okay, so an Aquarius female and a Gemini male, okay, is involved with stealing Social Security benefits. Okay, here we go. Is this connected? Is this the Aquarius female? No, but are they connected? Are they also involved with stealing Social Security benefits? So a Gemini male, Aquarius female, and somebody named Brianna as well. So Brianna is involved in this as well. Shout amen. Oh, okay. This Gemini male, this Aquarius female, and Brianna, they all have offshore accounts. So all these people have offshore accounts. They all have offshore accounts, okay? No? Okay. Connected? Is this Middle Eastern descent? Okay. So we got somebody that's Middle Eastern descent here. Is Melody Middle Eastern descent? Are they connected to somebody that's Middle Eastern descent? Okay, so we have somebody that's Middle Eastern descent. We have somebody named Melody. Grant is connected. We have Grant. I need to rewrite that. We have Grant. We have Kinsley. What's going on? All these people. I got too many cards in my hands, and it's kind of hard to do this. Connected. Okay, so we have Dana. The ATF is watching all these people. Okay, so the ATF is watching all of these people. Is this person connected to these people? So Ham is connected to this person that's Middle Eastern, Melody, Dana, Kinsley, and who? Grant. The ATF watching this person as well. Okay, so the ATF is also watching somebody named Ham, or with the nickname Ham. Connected. 60 to 70 years old, $60 to $70, $60 to $70,000. Okay, what is this? What is 60 to 70? Okay, somebody's father or grandfather left them will money, $60 to $70,000. Is this age 60 to 70? Is this $60 to $70,000? Is this million? Shut the front door. Somebody's grandfather left them $60 to $70 million. Is it a father? It's a grandfather. Shout amen. Is it connected to somebody down here? Well, damn, somebody's grandfather left them $60 to $70 million. Holy shit, isn't it? Oh, somebody's a whole secret child. What? What? Somebody's a whole secret child, and their pastor grandfather left them 60 to 70 million, not thousand, a million bucks, man. What? Okay. Oh, if somebody is sleeping with dirty cops to keep this shit covered up, bro. somebody's sleeping with dirty cops to try to keep his head in, so they could be paying dirty cops and having sex with dirty cops and shit. Man, these people are grimy as F, man. People are gross. Connected. Okay, so we got a killer couple. Why so many gotta fall out at the same time, y'all? Amen. Like, okay. Shout, amen. Is this like the name Brooklyn? Is this like the city of Brooklyn? Is this killer couple out of Brooklyn? Are they in Brooklyn now? Somebody's from Brooklyn. Okay, so there's a killer couple. Somebody's from Brooklyn. Connected. Is this person from Brooklyn? So Henry's from Brooklyn. Is Henry in Brooklyn? So him and somebody else is a whole killer couple. Okay, so somebody named Henry is part of this killer couple. Okay. Okay, something is definitely significant about Monday. Somebody did something for unexpected income. So Henry, this killer, that's part of a killer couple, did something on Monday for unexpected income. Okay, so this person's not in Brooklyn anymore. Are they in New York? Are they still up north? Are they in the south? Are they in the southwest? Southeast? Like Alabama? Georgia? They're in Florida now? And they did something on Monday for unexpected income. Okay, so they did something on Monday. I don't know if he did something by himself or he did something with his killer karmic partner. Okay, they did something on Monday for unexpected income. Connected? No. Trey? Latrell. This is not connected. Okay. So tell us about Latrell. Connected, male, female. Okay, so Latrell's connected to a female with the letter L name. I think these two came out before together. These two came out together before. Is Latrell and the female with the letter L name a bad bitch? Are these people coming after a bad bitch? Okay, so Latrell and this female with the letter L name is coming after a bad bitch. Okay, so they're coming after a bad bitch. Or they could think you're a bad bitch. Do they think somebody in the collective is a bad bitch, so they're coming after a bad bitch? So pretty much they're fucking around and they're finding out. Okay, so they're fucking around and they're finding out. Okay. Woo, amen, child. Connected? No. Okay, so we have a mailman coming out here, but I'm not going to keep that, okay. Okay, here we go. We got some people that are involved with stealing Social Security benefits here. We have a Gemini male. We have an Aquarius female. We also have somebody named Brianna. Okay, they definitely have offshore accounts as well, and they're stealing Social Security benefits. So a Gemini male, an Aquarius female, and somebody named Brianna, and they have offshore accounts where they're, I guess, putting this money, or how they're doing this, okay? We have somebody that's Middle Eastern descent, okay? We have Melody, we have Grant, we have Dana, okay? We have Kinsley, okay? And somebody with the name Ham or the nickname Ham, okay? The ATF is definitely watching these people, okay? We have a grandfather here that left some real money for somebody here, okay? somebody's actually a secret child, and this grandfather left somebody $60 to $70 million here. Okay, child, amen. Somebody's a secret child that somebody did not want somebody to know about, but they didn't give any other information about this, about other than somebody's a secret child, and they were supposed to get $60 to $70 million from their grandfather's passing. And somebody, like I said, they've been doing a lot to keep this secret here. Somebody's even sleeping with dirty cops and paying dirty cops to try to keep this hidden, so they can keep spending this money or keep this shiznit hidden. Okay, that's a whole lot of money, $60 to $70 million. Okay. So for some of you guys, if you guys know that you have money or something coming to you, you just know that there's something off here, and you have like the whole community of people like me coming to get you, where you have the police officers, the neighbors, the courthouse, everybody involved. It's going to be some shit like this, because there's like $60 to $70 million at stake. Okay, so that's money to pay off gang stalkers and cops and all of them alone. So that's one reason why a lot of people will be gang stalking somebody, because somebody's supposed to get $60 to $70 million here. Okay. Because somebody's a secret child, and they were trying to keep this shit hidden. Like, people are sleeping dirty cops and all over the community just to keep this shit hidden so they can keep this here. But somebody's supposed to be a millionaire out the asshole, y'all. Like, what? A whole $60 to $70 million, bro. This shit's fucked up, amen. I don't like to be cussing, but this shit's fucked up, amen. Okay, we got somebody from Brooklyn, okay. They're not in Brooklyn. They're in Florida, though. We have Henry. This person is part of a killer couple, okay. They're part of a killer couple. They did something on Monday for unexpected income here. And we got somebody named Latrell and a female with a letter L name, okay? They're coming after somebody that's a bad bitch, okay? So they're fucking around and they're finding out, okay? Okay, they're fucking around and they're finding out, okay? But somebody's supposed to have like $60 to $70 million, and these people are, like, there's a big cover-up going on. Somebody needs to give this person their money. This shit is messed up. They got me all cussing all out the... You know what I mean? These people ruin their whole life, and so many people's life over some money because they're greedy, bro. Amen? I'm sure the person would have gave money out, you know what I mean, if they would have gave their money. But no, these people want to be greedy and, like, be out here just sacrificing people and shit. I'm sure, you know, the person would actually give their community or their people back the money, but... Let me see. Is this person going to get their money? All of it? These people don't have no choice. They did too much, so this person's going to get their money back. Okay, period. Amen, amen. This person's going to get their money back, whether these people like it or not. They deserve to be having... Then people can sleep around if they want to. You're still going to have to give this money up, period. It don't belong to you. Amen, amen. Okay? You can sleep with as many dirty officials if you want to. Y'all can all be dirty together, but you can still give up that money to the person that belongs to you. Amen? So we have 8. You can be seeing a lot of birds. Somebody's 86 to 90. We have March. So March 8th. Somebody's 54. We have December. We have 10. So we have March 8th, March 10th, December 8th, December 10th. Somebody's 81 to 85, somebody's 86 to 90. You could be seeing some dragonflies. Your angels are definitely here, amen. We have J, 29, 62, 7, 23. You're definitely a rare diamond, amen. Okay, period. We have the letter O. Somebody think it could be Joe. You could be seeing owls as well. Or hearing owls. Who? Owls. 58. 11. 44, but I don't know why I just saw JJ. Somebody think it could be JJ, but 44. We have A. We have 17. We have 2. We have M. We have February. And we have 25, okay? So these could be your initials, initials of people involved, initials of just people connected to a situation, okay? So we have, March 2nd, March 7th, March 8th, March 10th, March 11th, March 17th, March 23rd, and March 29th, okay? We have December 2nd, December 7th, December 8th, December 10th, December 11th, December 17th, December 23rd, and December 29th. We have February 2nd, the 7th, the 8th, the 10th, the 25th, the 11th, the 17th, the 23rd, and the 29th. Somebody could be 2, 7, 8, 10, 25, 11, 17, 23, 29, 54, 62, 58, 42, 86 to 89, and 81 to 85. We have the initials J, O, A, and M. Okay? You definitely a rare diamond. You could be seeing dragonflies. You could hear owls, see owls. You could be seeing a lot of birds. And you are definitely surrounded by your angels. Okay? Woo. All right, you guys. That's what I got for you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Select all. Y'all have a blessed day, man. Okay?